Jatend kweth manok machon Opiyo Wandayi ogolo singo mar ng'ado oko lesen mag kembe mag ji giwegi mosebedo ka uso ne kambi mar keyo teko stima pacho ka Kenya Power Teko stima. Mano kaka yo noero maduoko piny nengo mar stima. Ponono no puodhe kaka jatend migao mar Teko. Wandayi owacho magi e kinde manochopo e nyim komiti motelne kod spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula. Kabende owacho kanyero ni migao mar Teko e nyong'ong ubiro keto migao mar Teko e nyong'ong kowacho ni ndalo magi orumo.
But eventually to see to it that in the new dispensation, if such licenses are to be issued, there must be conditions. That you get a license, but you have got certain terms within which to play. That is one. Two, it is this animal that we call take or pay. These are IPPs which have been given, which have signed PPAs, the power producing agreements, with Kenya Power and Lighting Company. And the agreement is such that whatever they generate, you either take it, or if you don't take it, you still pay for it. So really, that is not sustainable. And they are very, very, very long-term agreements. Some running to as long as 20 years. Again, I will have to engage the Office of the Attorney General on how to deal with this. But eventually, because I'm aware that there is currently a moratorium on the engagement of IPPs following the Presidential Task Force on PPAs that was established here in 2021. Even if that moratorium is lifted eventually, we shall have to ensure that whatever PPAs we get into do not put us in that or in such a situation